Yo, what's up, Freaky Flyers? It's Ace Johnson here, and I'm here to show you the power of the HG LRC Aeolus motors. I haven't had a chance to really get to doing a review on these since I got them. The weather's been kind of crap, but today we have a really nice day. There's some strange fog going on, and there's no wind. So, what perfect time to take a rip with these motors. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to put you down. We're going to go for a rip. There we go. Camera. I don't know why it does that. Pretty strange, pretty strange. Yeah, that was pretty good. I like that one. So HGLRC Aeolus motors. These are the 23. I don't have my glasses on. 2306.5, 2550 kVs. There they are. Those are the beauties that are flying on there right now. And I guess for conversation's sake, it is the Nazgul F5 props that are on there. I don't have an iFlight Nazgul, but I bought the props because they were a good deal, and I happen to like them. They're pretty good. So there was your quick rip. You can see some pretty serious air stops in there over the tree, and I really like that. I really like being able to rip and then dive down those trees. So I don't know, tell me what you think in the comments. Do you like these motors? They are greatly priced. Like, they're priced good. Like, that's a good price for these motors. I can't remember exactly what they were. But if you're interested in these motors, I should be putting links in my descriptions and stuff for the reviews that I'm doing, so I'll try to do that. And yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comments. Peace.